Hello YouTube, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Share and Knowledge video tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive in Windows 10 by using Rufus. First of all, you need to download Windows 11 bootable ISO file and Rufus. Download this latest Windows 11 ISO file. The file size is 4.53 GB in size. I have already downloaded. You have download link in this video description box below. Next, go to Rufus website. You need to create USB installation media from bootable ISOs. Rufus is a utility that helps format and create bootable USB flash drives. You will get this both link in this video description box below. Go ahead on the description box, copy and paste this link. Okay. Once download complete, go ahead on Rufus, run the Rufus. Make sure that you have inserted USB flash drive at least 8 GB because Windows 11 ISO image file is almost around above 4.53 GB. Okay. Next, boot section. You select ISO image you have downloaded Windows 11 ISO. Okay. Next, image option, standard Windows installation. You don't need change anything. Next, partition scheme and target system. UEFI, we don't need change anything, keep it default. And next, volume label, cluster size, file system, it's default file system of USB flash drive. Here also we don't need change anything. Okay, select everything, click on start, then click on OK. Now starting the process. After for a while you will get a bootable Windows 11 USB flash drive. It will take few minutes depending on your system speed. Wait until finish. Okay. Once complete the process, you will get a bootable Windows 11 USB flash drive. You can see here. That's it. Okay, now you are done. I hope this video helped for you. Thanks for watching and supporting. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Your contribution is more confidence. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you next video. Bye. Take care.